Hello everyone. In forest and forest management, after silviculture, agroforestry, afforestation, today we will discuss about deforestation. Deforestation is permanent removal of trees to make room or space for something beside the forest. Deforestation is permanent removal of forest trees to make a space beside the forest. Deforestation is clearance, clear cutting or removal of forest or stand of tree from the land which is converted to non-forest use. Land which is for forest, then cut down or clearance of tree, and afterward it becomes non-forest use. This can include clearing of the land for agriculture or grazing, or using timber for fuel, construction or manufacturing. What is the main reason of deforestation? First is agriculture or grazing. Agriculture, the land which is forest land which is which is cleared and then it is used as a agriculture land. Grazing means land which is used to feed animal. Using timber for fuel. Forest trees are using timber or fuel, construction or manufacturing. Forests cover more than 30% of Earth's land surface, according to World Wildlife Fund. The forested area can provide food, medicine, and fuel for more than billion people. Worldwide, forests provide 13.4 million people with jobs in forest sector, and another 41 million people have jobs related to forest. Forests are resource, but they are also large undeveloped swath of land that can be converted for purpose such as agriculture and grazing. Swath means area which is having grass or area which is we can't use. So forest having many resources, but it is also a large undeveloped land. So it is converted for purpose such as agriculture and grazing. Today, most deforestation is happening in tropics. Tropical area, we can say Katibandh. Uh, for example, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, Karkvrut, Makarvrut, Vishuvrut. These areas are tropics. Areas that were inaccessible in the past are now within reach as a new road are constructed through the dense forest. The area in tropical region, some areas are unable, in some areas we are unable to reach. That means that is inaccessible to reach. But with the help of deforestation, we can reach to the area in dense forest. In 2017 report by scientists at the University of Maryland showed the tropics lost about 61,000 square mile of the forest in 2070. In 2017, a tropical region lost about 61,000 square mile of forest, which is an area the size of Bangladesh in a single year. Reasons forests are destroyed. The World Bank estimated that about 10 million square kilometers of forest have been lost since the beginning of 20th century. In past 25 years, forests shrunk by 1.3 million square kilometers, an area bigger than size of South Africa. Shrunk means forest get smaller day by day in last 25 years. Often deforestation occur when forested area are cut and cleared to make way for agriculture and grazing. The Union of Concerned Scientists UCS report just for commodities responsible for tropical deforestation. Commodities means raw material which is raw material in agriculture, in primary agriculture product. It is commodities mainly for raw materials. are responsible for deforestation in tropical region. What is that for material? Beef, soy, palm oil and wood products. Beef. Beef is well developed muscle or flesh of cow or bull which is used in a food. Second one is soy, palm oil. Palm oil is get from the trees, and wood products, that is also we can get from trees. UCS estimate that an area the size of Switzerland is lost to deforestation every year. Area which is size of Switzerland, about 38,300 square kilometer is lost in deforestation every year. Natural fires in tropical forest tend to be rare but intense. In tropical region, natural fires rare, but when it's happen, it intense or intensity of fire is more. Human-lit fires are commonly used to clear land for agricultural use. Human-lit fire means people light the fires intentionally to clear particular area. First, valuable timber is harvested in human-lit fire. First, valuable timbers means the wood is harvested. Then, remaining vegetation or remaining plants are burned to make a way for crops like soy and cattle grazing. In August 2019, more than 80,000 fires burned in Amazon, an increase of almost 80% from 2018, according to National Geographic report. Many forests are cleared to make way for palm oil plantation. Palm oil is most commonly produced vegetable oil, and it is found half of all supermarket products. It is cheap, versatile and can be added both food and personal products like lipstick and shampoo. It is popularly has spurred people to clear tropical forests to grow more palm tree. Palm tree is very useful in food and cosmetic products. It is also cheap and easily available. So many forests are destroyed to grow palm to make way for palm oil plantation, and it is provoke people to grow palm oil, and this occurs deforestation. Effects of deforestation. Forest can be found from tropics to high altitude area. Tropics and high altitude area means mountain regions. They are the home of 80% terrestrial biodiversity, containing a wide array of trees, plants, animals and microbes according to World Bank and International Financial Institute. Forests provide more than a home for diverse collecting of living things. They are also important resource for many around the world. According to 2080 FAO report, FAO means Food and Agriculture Organization, 3/4 of Earth's fresh water comes from forested watershed, and loss of the tree affect the water quality. The UN's 2018 State of World Forest report found that over half of the global population relies on forested watershed. They are drinking water as well as water used for agriculture and industry. Forests are 80% forests are the home of 80% terrestrial biodiversity. Plus, forests provide uh, many resources to us, and also 3/4 of Earth's water. That means Earth's ત્રીજા ભાગનું પાણી it comes from forest watershed, and loss of tree affect the water quality. The forest which water which is comes from forest are fresh, and it is used in drinking water and also in agriculture and industries. About half of the global population is dependent on forest watershed for their drinking and agricultural products, so it also affect to them. Deforestation in tropical region can also affect the way water vapor is produced over the canopy, which causes reduced rainfall. A 2019 study showed that the part of Amazon rainforest that were converted into agricultural land had higher soil and air temperature, which can result drought condition. In comparison, forested land had rates of evapotranspiration that were about 3 times higher, adding more water vapor to air. Deforestation in tropical region also affect the water vapor, and water vapor is useful to rainfall. In 2019 study suggests that the Amazon rainforest is converted to agriculture land, and the comparison between agricultural land and Amazon rainforest. For the forest land have high evapotranspiration 3 times higher than agricultural land, and which adding more water vapor to air. And in agricultural land, high temperature and high air and temperature, and which result drought condition. Tree also absorb carbon dioxide, mitigating greenhouse gas emission produced by human activity. Tree also absorb the carbon dioxide, and it remove the bad effect of greenhouse gas emission which is produced by human activity. Deforestation not only remove the vegetation, but that is important for removing carbon dioxide from air, but the act of clearing forest produce greenhouse gas emission. Deforestation is not only removal of clear of particular area or removal of vegetation, but it is also important to absorb the carbon dioxide. But act of clearing tree or clearing forest also produce greenhouse gas emission. The Food and Agriculture Organization of United Nations say that deforestation is the second leading cause of climate change. First one is burning fossil fuel. In fact, deforestation accounts for nearly 20% of greenhouse gas emission. Solution of deforestation. Developing alternatives to deforestation can help to decrease need of clearing tree. Forest can also restore through the replanting tree and cleared area are simply allowing the forest ecosystem regenerate over the time. After deforesting, forest can also restore through replanting trees. The goal of restoration is return to the forest to its original state before it was cleared. The sooner a cleared area is reforested, if we restore the forest and replanting the trees, then forest comes to its original state, and sooner the clear area become reforested, and quicker the ecosystem start repair itself. Afterward, wildlife will return, water system will re-establish, ecosystem carbon will be sequestered, means isolated. Carbon will be isolated from air, and soil will be replenished. Replenished means soil will be restored at its original state. Afterward, everyone can do their part of curb deforestation. Curb means a little bit of contribution. We can buy certified wood products, go paperless whenever it possible, limit our consumption of product that use palm oil, and plant a tree when it possible, because tree are the lung of earth. So we have to restore, re-establish forest.